Weego 22's jump starter 1700 peak 300 cranking amp, simple and safe, lithium-ion, water-resistant, USA designed and engineered. Powerful and quick, Weego 22's delivers 300 cranking amps, 1700 peak amps. You can jump start 5L plus gas engines and 2.5L plus diesel engines all in a matter of minutes and all on your own. Works on cars, trucks, boats, ATVs, motorcycles and more. Safe and simple, our patented Smarty Clamps make jump starting safer than ever before. They have a suite of protections built in which will not allow you to jump unless properly connected and will communicate errors to you if something isn't right. Additional protections include anti-spark, reverse polarity, overheat and power surge. Lightweight and long-lasting, compared to lead-acid, Weego 22's lithium jump starters are much smaller, recharge faster in just 2.5 hours, have double the life cycle and stay powered for up to 1 year on a single charge, making them the more convenient and reliable choice. Tried and true, we combine innovation with the practical needs of our customers to produce the most safe and reliable portable jump starters on the market. We design, engineer and test our products in the USA and offer an 18-month. If something goes wrong, contact us and we will make it right. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.